How to get rid of ants from your house. Ants can be a nuisance when they invade your home. Here are some effective ways to remove them and prevent future infestations. 1. Identify the source. 1. Find out where the ants are coming from and locate their entry points. 2. Clean up food sources. 1. Keep your kitchen and dining area clean. 2. Store food in sealed containers. 3. Wipe spills and crumbs immediately. 3. Use natural remedies. 1. Sprinkle salt, cinnamon, or coffee grounds along their paths. 2. Mix vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray affected areas. 3. Use lemon juice to disrupt their scent trails. 4. Seal entry points. 1. Close cracks and gaps in doors, windows, and walls. 5. Use ant baits or traps. 1. Set up ant bait stations to attract and eliminate them. 6. Keep your house dry. 1. Fix leaks and avoid leaving standing water. 7. Call a pest control service. If the infestation is severe, consider professional help. By following these steps, you can keep your house free from ants and maintain a clean environment.